All right, another day on the island, putting in the rock features. I've got a circle of rocks. These are fairly large rocks. That rock right there is a monster. It was a deal to get it up here. But I've got all large rocks. I got a little pool in the center here. I'm gonna try to fill it with semi-precious stones and gems and cool little things like that, little trinkets, really nice, pretty rocks. Maybe fish will spawn in here, maybe you can hang out in here, whatever you'd like to do. Once the pond comes up, the water should rise up to around the edge of these rocks and fill in this pool in the center. Cool. Okay, this is what I have so far, working on the island features, a staircase up to the ring of rocks at the top. Got my girls here, Tina.
Hi.
Renee.
Hey.
They're gonna walk up the stairs while I show you what we got. Basically, the water's edge will be at the top of this top stair here, and you'll be walking out of the water to get to the top, the ring of rocks. Boom, this rock you'll be able to jump off of. And then that rock you'll be able to sit on, as well as all these other rocks. And in the center, I'm trying to make a little hangout spot for either fish, whatever would want to hang out in there.